What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another unboxing here on the Sergeant Tank Pets YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here at another shipment from Imperial Tropicals. Definitely a very reputable company that does their due diligence when it comes to not only putting the care and the time into breeding some amazing specimens of livestock, but also the due diligence and care that it takes to ship these beautiful specimens of livestock. So take a look here at the heat pack. Again, 3 days in shipment. Definitely a plus there, especially with the elements here in Michigan coming from Florida. Definitely a wonderful job as always when it comes to packing. You can see the green tint within the bags here. We have some ancestors bushy nose plecos. Take a look here at the chocolate, and then we'll take a look here at the albino variant. And we'll get close-up shots here in just a couple of moments. Take a look here at the secondary heat pack. Again, very, very well done. And we're going to go ahead and place these guys here within this container. And as I was saying, the green tint is just a basic malachite green to help when it comes to overall preventative measures and kind of like an antibacterial agent properties when it comes to shipping. So here we have the albinos, and we'll take a look here at the chocolates in a moment within a different container. Again, they're very active, very well, which I didn't have any concerns. But take a look here in just a moment. 80 degrees roughly Fahrenheit in the bag itself, which again, this time of the year and when this is actually being edited for you guys, it's been now about 2 months after we received the shipment. So even now, being beginning of April of 2018, it's still quite cold. So again, phenomenally done as always. Anybody that's been following this channel for any prolonged period of time knows my due diligence and care that I put in myself from shipping through the years. We're taking a look here at the temperature acclimatization that's taking place as we're floating those containers. Some close-up shots there on the ancestors plecos. Again, everybody's doing phenomenally well, even to date. And we'll take here a look in just a moment within the 55-gallon aquarium that you see there behind that these guys are in, even currently to date as well. So they are definitely put on size. We'll bring in an update at some point in the future on these guys. Of course, once they grow out a bit more, put on a little bit more size, and they'll go ahead and start spawning in no time. You can see some fish there in the background. Those are your blue daisies rice fish, your Rheseus ware that I've done videos on. And if you want to know a little bit more when it comes to breeding and keeping of your ancestral species, I definitely highly recommend that you check out the end cards and check out down in the description below to a YouTube video that I've done discussing some of these different measures and so forth when it comes to breeding. As I've been breeding these guys for about 12 years now, and at one point was breeding literally in the hundreds on a monthly basis. So definitely there to provide you guys a little bit of feedback and insight when it comes to breeding, specifically when in a home aquarium. So not too much to this specific system, and again, we will bring you guys updates in the future as we start to pair these guys off and breed once they get to that appropriate age. So just some basic river pebble stone mixed with some crushed coral within this system. A few options for them if they want to go within those breeding caves. That's a customized breeding cave that I customized there that you see the slate. I've done a video as well. If you want to check it out down in the description below, feel free. Did a live tutorial how-to on specifically how I construct and the basis behind why I construct them that way, especially when it comes to reverse trios. So hope that you guys enjoy this video, and as always, we'll talk to you right back here on the next one.